Witt Lining Systems is the industry leader in providing high-quality solutions for corrosion resistance and primary containment applications. Witt flexible liners can provide you the following benefits. Made in one piece for easy installation. No extensive prep work required and no cure time is needed. Custom fabricated to any size, shape, or configuration. Liquid integrity is not affected by cracks or holes in the tank itself. Easy to repair if damaged, a long-term answer for your lining needs. Witt liners provide primary corrosion protection in process tanks, storage tanks, and concrete pits, trenches, and sumps. We have a wide range of material formulations to suit most any application. All of our linings are non-bonded drop-in liners, including those made from Koroseal PVC. We also make liners from LFP CrossFilm, a form of PTFE Teflon, and now offer flexible Kynar PVDF liners. Witt offers liners as thin as 20 mil for disposable applications and as thick as 3/16 inch for long-term solutions to corrosion problems. With over 45 years of experience, we have the expertise to provide a custom answer to your primary lining needs. Choose Witt Lining Systems because the best companies use the best companies.